managed to obtain. The moviegoers lined up in front of the theatre showing the most popular film of the summer. Rob is going to be scheduled to schedule the famous author to speak at the convention if he can line up in time. Next, to lose one's cool. To lose one's cool means to be excited, angry, or frustrated or flustered. Despite the boos from someone in the audience, the actors on stage never lost their cool. Although the group of skiers were in danger from an apparent avalanche, their ski guide never lost his cool. Next, to leave open. To leave open means to delay making a decision on. To delay making a decision on. In making up the job announcement, the firm decided to leave the salary open until a qualified candidate was found. Next, we know